That's not how the right turn over there works. You got to make that right turn way earlier than that. There's a cut corner jug handle. I don't know what the New York terminology is, but it's there. I'll probably have one of those stupid graphics at the beginning of this clip so to explain it to you. So it's already explained to you. Why am I talking? Red light run! Ain't talking about a red light run! Yeah, you are rotten to the core! Red run! Van Halen singing about a red light run! Okay, I'll stop now! My wayward son, there be peace when you are done. Lay your red light run to rest. Red light run, red light run. Hey! Da 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 da. Okay, you get the point.
Wannabe mole right here on your head. What's that bug? It's precancerous. Is it cancer? It's too close to my brain. So
red light run, red light run, red light run. And why are you going? I'm right here. I'm coming. Well, not really. But stop! You get the idea. All right, let's see how many people screw up today. Like that white car. I nearly said white guy. It's almost racist, but not really. But white car. Okay, let's see what this black, bluish Trax all-wheel drive, whatever the hell that thing is. Yeah, it stopped. And nearly like ran into someone. I don't know. Ran into someone. I don't know. And the guy behind me, yeah, kind of rolled, kind of roll, kind of. You just ran. Everyone sucks today.
Kelsey was 7 catches for 71 yards, which is bad, but had a couple of terrible
Right turn lane dive. Red light run, red light run. Two of them ran the red light. What the hell's wrong with you guys? Stop it.
He had appointment Thursday to be at the county's misdemeanor probation unit.
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Molly and her family placed enough food in the casket for Anna's 3-day journey to what the Osage referred to as a
No, stop.
hunting ground. The older mourners, like Molly's mother, began to recite Osage prayer songs, hoping that
What are you doing behind me, dude? Real.
The great historian and
You're an asshole.
John Joseph Matthews, 1894 to 1979,
What the
who was part Osage, documented many of the tribe's traditions. Described
do not do well in tandem on this weekend. They are
Nope, way up there.
do much better betting both on the job this year. So they deserve to stay there, and they will stay there. He's not.
No, someone got sitting on green, sitting at the green light.
But I'm happy to see.
Why'd you move over here if you're just going to move back over there? And dive for the left turn lane. Screwborough.
Yeah, finally he's admitting that he's an idiot. But you're right.
Nice cut off.
That's the news and social media. Everyone's got
Hey, whoa, what are you doing up there?
Different ways from different guys, and that really saved the day for Verona, who did not have a good day. But when the game was on the line,
Hey, you might want to clear off the back window there. And why are you slowing down on the on-ramp, too? That's kind of weird. You can keep going. You realize we're merging into the fast lane of an interstate highway? You're only going 35 for some stupid reason? freaking Mazda drivers suck so bad.
I thought Houston was going to cover, so I thought I'd take the points for Green Bay in the second game.
But of course, if you're on a nice cutoff.
They play going up to win the second game. So, over they've never been. But Tampa is a team that I think matches.
No stop. No, red light run! Red light run in not Brooklyn but Syracuse! Yeah! Yeah, a bunch of people diving for the left turn lane because it's like, you know, why can't people just plan to be in the left lane when their left turn's coming up? It's kind of stupid when you think about it. Piss. Hey, you're supposed to stop over there. White truck doesn't have to. This is one way. Really? Yeah. All the parking spots are angled away from you when you turn down there. You're dumb. Are you really gonna try to pass them? Yeah, you're stupid. No, stop. And Toyota doesn't really stop either, because no one ever stops here. No stop. No stop. And I hear sirens too, so maybe you should stop and listen and look where people are coming from. Might be an idea. No trailers in the left lane. No, you cannot be there if we're in Connecticut. If we are unfortunately in that stupid ass little state that no one likes, Connecticut. Glad I'm never going there ever again. Well, this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. Please like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Yay! Alright, I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye!